Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. So in this video, we're just going to be diving deep into how to trade price action like a pro. No indicators, no lagging tools, just pure market structure and candlestick analysis. All right, so if you want to level up your trading and start making smarter high probability trades, you need to master price action. So you might want to grab a notebook because this is going to be packed with value. And hey, if you're new here, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any powerful trading strategies. Let's get into it. All right, first things first, what exactly is price action trading? Simply put, price action is the art of reading raw market movements without relying on indicators. All right, it's all about analyzing candlestick patterns, market structure, and key levels to make informed trading decisions. Now, indicators like moving averages, RSI, and all of that, they can be useful. All right, all these indicators, they are really useful, right? We have a whole lot of indicators and they all have their functions, right? But they lag behind the actual price. So by mastering price action, you get real-time data straight from the market, and that's what gives pro traders an edge. Now, let me show you an example. I'm just going to remove these indicators from the chart. All right. Let me show you an example. When price hits a major resistance, you can see we had a resistance around here. When price hits a major resistance level and prints a strong rejection candle, you can see we have rejection candles around here, right? That's a clear signal that sellers are stepping in. Now, this is the kind of information that price action traders use to predict market moves. Now, let's just break down the key elements of price action trading that every pro trader knows. The first is candlestick patterns, which is the market's language. All right. So candlesticks tell you the battle between buyers and sellers. Some of the most powerful patterns include the pin bars. For example, you can see this, the pin bars, they represent strong reversal signals. We also have the engulfing candles like this one, that swallows up the previous candle. It indicates momentum shift. And we also have the doji, right? You can see this, the doji that represents indecision in the market. Now, learning how to read and interpret candlestick formations is crucial for making better trade decisions. Now, the second elements of price action trading, key elements, is support and resistance. They are key trading zones. All right. Now let's talk about support and resistance, which are the foundation of price action trading. Support levels, all right. Support levels are areas where price tends to bounce up. Areas where price tends to bounce up. While resistance levels are zones where price gets rejected and moves down. All right, so smart traders don't just blindly enter trades. They wait for price action confirmation around these levels to make high probability setups. Okay, thirdly, let's talk about market structure. Okay, the trend is your friend. Now, you've probably heard the phrase, the trend is your friend, right? That's because price tends to move in structured waves, forming higher highs and higher lows. You can see this is a bullish market structure where you have higher highs and higher lows, right? Can you see that? Higher highs and higher lows. So this was a low, this was a high, this was a higher low, this was a higher high, and so on. All right, this is for an uptrend. Then in a downtrend, you have lower highs and lower lows formation, which is a bearish market structure. Okay, now by understanding market structure, you can anticipate when price is likely to continue or reverse. Pro traders don't chase price, okay? They wait for the right setup based on structure. Now let's talk about the real gold, how to enter and exit trades using price action. For the entry strategy, look for price to approach a key support or resistance level. Then you watch for a price action confirmation like a pin bar rejection or engulfing candle before entering, okay? Secondly, for your stop loss placement, always place your stop loss beyond the key level to avoid getting stopped out by random price wicks, all right? So if you enter a sell, you should set your stop loss beyond the resistance. If you enter a buy, set your stop loss beyond the support, all right? Then for your take profit strategy, you can use previous swing highs and lows as profit targets. For a buy, you can use previous swing highs. For a sell, you can use previous swing lows, okay? Do not get greedy. Stick to a solid risk to reward ratio, okay? When you're talking about risk to reward ratio, we're talking about the amount of money you are potentially going to make with reference to the amount of money you are risking. For example, if you are risking $100, you should be targeting a minimum of $200. That gives you a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2, 1:2. If you are risking 1, you are aiming to make 2. If you are risking 10, you are aiming to make 20. If you're risking 20, you are aiming to make 40. Okay, so that is a good risk to reward ratio. Some traders sometimes use risk to reward ratio 1:1.5, okay? But it depends on the kind of strategy, right? If you are scalping, in some cases it could be 1:1. Okay, so it depends on the kind of strategy. But on average, right? On average, for day trading or swing trading, 1 to 2 is very okay, right? You should be targeting at least 1:2. All right, and that's a wrap. Now you have the foundation to trade price action like a pro without using indicators. Okay, you can see that we talked about just price action. We talked about candlestick patterns. We talked about market structure. And ideally we talked about ideal places to set your stop loss and take profits. Okay, so we're dealing with just raw market data. You don't have to cluster your charts with a lot of indicators. All right, if you want to trade price action, you can do that effectively even without adding indicators to your chart. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments what is your favorite price action setup. I love to hear your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more high level trading content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy trading.